Yun, yung ating eggs. Nilagay ko na yung eggs, guys. Ayun. There you go. Ooh, lala. Look at that. Noodles with eggs. Tapos lagyan natin ng yung ating saging, guys. So, pinirito. Nagprito ko kanina. Hindi ko na ubos-ubos, marami. Yun, no? Look at that. Wow, wow, wow. Yan, pwede na yung noodles. Yan. Okay, dyan. Ooh, ang haba, diba? Ooh, lala, look at that. Ooh. Here more.